I can't wait for you to meet Caitlyn, a senior from Marion, Iowa. Check this out. She's a double major in biochemistry and biology with a minor in criminology for good measure. Let's hear about how the caring faculty have impacted her experience at UNI. Tell us your story, Caitlyn.
Thanks, Alex. When I was looking at colleges, I knew I wanted a university that could support my love for science with great faculty who could help me find my true passion within the science realm. Thankfully, the University of Northern Iowa has great faculty that did just that. Faculty and staff support is something that UNI prides itself on, and I have been lucky enough to experience that firsthand. My freshman year general chemistry professor, Dr. Del Carlo, went above and beyond to help me. Her support went beyond when I was in her course, as she guided me when I changed my major to biochemistry and biology. I know Dr. D always has her door open to be a listening ear whenever I need one. She genuinely cares about my success and even guided me as I applied for pharmacy programs. UNI's faculty and staff genuinely want to see me succeed and are willing to go the extra mile in order to aid students however they can. I have also reached out to a few of my professors when I was struggling in a course or looking for encouragement in taking the next steps in my future. And I know many other UNI students have done the same thing. UNI's faculty and staff have created an environment where I truly feel comfortable reaching out whenever I need help and guidance. Due to that support, I am currently applying to pharmacy programs. I look forward to a future career made possible partially due to the great mentors I have had the pleasure of working with here at the University of Northern Iowa. Back to you, Alex.
You are pretty amazing, Caitlyn. It sounds like the faculty and staff at Northern Iowa have played a very pivotal role in your success. We wish you all the best as you apply to pharmacy programs. Good luck, Caitlyn.